Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Teach with Koala, and today I'll be showing you how to save classes and manage saved classes on this multi-sensory virtual classroom. If you've not already downloaded Koala, go straight to the website Koala and download it from there. By the way, my name is Fred, so I've typed it in there, and I'll be your teacher for today, guys. So teacher, and let me see, start a room. Let's just create an imaginary student. So one student, yeah, keep it at one student, and start room. And basically that's how to enter a room in Koala. Let's just wait for it to load.
12 seconds later.
So all we have to do to save a class, well, I haven't really taught anything yet, but then all we have to do if you want to save a class is just go down to this kind of factory setting icon, click on it, and you'll see 4 options: show controls, customize avatar, save class, and manage classes. It's that simple. So all we have to do is go and save class, save as any name you want to save it. Let's save it as Fred's class with an exclamation mark, and we're done. Our class has been saved. So the next step to manage classes is go down to the last icon, select manage classes. See Fred's class over there. So that, guys, is how to save and manage classes with Koala. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and go and try this at home. Have fun with Koala.